Hey, what's up guys, Michael here with WarpDriveM. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to fix the windscreen wipers problem on the BMW. I think this is the most common problem to E39. The 5 series, I've noticed this problem to 7 series as well. This episode I'm gonna show you how to diagnose and fix this problem.
Okay, and check this out. The water is working, but as you can see, the wipers don't do anything. You can set the speed, but nothing works. Okay, now, first things first. If you have such problems, you have to check first always the fuse box. We have the fuse box in here. Let me take this out. We have 2 plastic screws in here. You have to turn, and you will have your fuses right in here. As you can see, you have to pull this, the schematic for your fuses. So I'm gonna search for wipers, in German of course. Check this out here. Fuse number 1. So fuse number 1, but it seems to be alright, this fuse. Let me try to take it out. The fuse is out. As you can see, it's everything okay. 30 amps, rated till 32 volts. So everything is alright. That's kind of strange. Okay, so let's put this back and let's try this again. Maybe it was just a bad contact. Okay, ignition on. Nothing happens. We have to check for the relay. And now comes the fun part. We have to open the bonnet. And what you're looking for is right here underneath the filter housing. That's very bad and wrong. Maybe you can see there are a lot of wires going in and out, because here is the ECU and other relays and other fuses. So I have to take this box out, and after that we can check the relay. I hope it's the relay, because if it's not the relay, that could mean one thing: the motor is kaput. The motor is kaput. And as you can see here, the ECU and the other relays. And the first moment you see this brown relay, you know that it's the wipers relay, windscreen wipers relay. I don't know why, but I think in all the BMW this color is gonna represent the wipers. I still have this problem with this screw. I cannot take this off. It's spinning like a mad. And I have to find a solution for that, and after that we can work in here. Holy crap, that was hard. This one was not that hard to take off. As you can see, it come off with the bolt, with the, I have no idea how this called anyway. But here in the back it has two plastic clamps that are located here and here. It's freaking hard to take that off. I think you have to take the plastic cover off, but I don't want to tear apart the whole car for a relay. Anyway, I've done it. You will need a small screwdriver. Now we have enough room to work on this relay. And first you have to do a visual check. You have to look for the water, you have to look for the corrosion, and you have to look for wires that are hanging out. In here everything must be clamped, soldered, and very tight. I'm gonna do a visual check first, and after that we are going to try to start the wipers without doing anything. Sometimes you just have to wiggle a relay and it's gonna start. Let's do that right now. Ignition. Yep, it's not that simple. Of course it's not that simple. Let's test the relay, and after that we can see what we have to do. I've took the relay off, and just a second, let me try this with the other hand. I hope the camera catch this, pick this. Already it's a bad sign. Anyway, I covered everything as good as I could. You have to be sure there's no place where the water can come in. I'm gonna put the cover back like this till we find what's wrong with this one, if this is the wrong piece. Down in here you need 12 volts to test the relay. I have a small adapter that's gonna give me a 12 volts. I've clamped some connectors in here. On every relay you will have the schematic, and it's gonna show you where the circuit is closed. Where the circuit is closed, you have to connect the 12 volts, and you have to look for the open connector, open circuit. So when the closed circuit is gonna have 12 volts, it's gonna close the open circuit. Now in this way you can find if the relay it's working. When we have 12 volts, we have to hear a click. Okay, we're gonna leave it close. Oh, that's bad sign. Okay, and now let's test for the circuit. Yep, nothing. And number 4 and 1, nothing. Yep. So case closed. The relay. Oh my God, that's not good. So the relay is not working. So just to show you how this works, I've opened the relay, and look what was making that noise.
The relay is here in this. Yep, right here. I'm gonna take the relay and head home. This here. Back at home. Let's see. This is the old relay. Yep, identical, the same color, the same shape. It has to be like this. And nothing sounds like the old one. installed. Now let's see if the wipers are working. Let me find the keys. Yeah, problem solved. I have no power in the battery because, check this out, I put the ignition on. Yep, you can hear that, but the wipers are working. Job done. Yep, the wipers are working. That's it. If you have the same problem, now you know how to fix this. It's a very dangerous problem because you can be in a situation when you need the wipers and not working, so it's really dangerous. If you have some symptoms, like sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, be prepared for something like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.